Hello and welcome to another update video about the S&P 500. So we've got a few changes here on the chart. We are exploring currently if it is possible that the low is already in here for the S&P 500, and I can tell you yes, the possibility exists. However, we have to be prepared for another lower low, especially as we've made now a new lower low here. Even though we did not on a sustainable basis break it, yeah, we recovered, but still we're making lower highs here at the moment and lower lows. That is not a sign of strength. So after we reversed here in this reversal area, we made a possible wave 1 to the upside. I thought, or at least in the last video, it looked like that this could have been a wave 2. Made you aware that until we break above this wave 1 high, nothing is confirmed here. So we have to move that across. So it could be here that we are doing just an A, B, C pattern at the moment of this wave 2, from where we will then get another chance to make the breakout, to get the breakout done. But honestly, until we go above the 3,946 level or 3,950, that wave 1 high, this is the next key resistance we need to break. Until we do that, there is still a lot of downside pressure, and there is a risk that we even go lower than 3,640. If we do that, there's a strong support area in the region around 3,350, so we could dip quite a bit lower. So this is still here a possible bullish wave count that you can see. To make this work, we would now or very soon start to reverse back to the upside after the downtrend of the last few days. So at the moment we can all count this still. If we want to as an impulse up and then an A, B, C down, a corrective wave here in a wave 2, that could go down a little bit lower. If we take a look here at the Fibonacci retracement levels, this could go down to the 78.6% Fib level at 3,700, or even the 88.7 at 3,672. Below that, I think it will get very likely that this is still a wave 2. If we go below that 88.7% Fib level, then all of this, in my opinion, it will just get more likely that we've seen here an A, a B, and this will be a C, and that would land, in my opinion, in that region here, around 3,350 and $3,600. Yeah, there's a support area that's based on Fibonacci extensions as well. Then the argument would be that here, instead of this being a wave 4, we would then have here a wave 2, and we would then from here have another chance to reverse for the to the upside. But irrespective of if we make briefly another lower low, and to be honest, at the moment probabilities are fairly similar. Yeah. Primarily at the moment I still expect another lower low, so let's say 60-40, 60 for another low, 60% and 40% the low is already in. But even if we now make another lower low, I think we are very, very close to ending this overall correction, and we will see another rally soon here. But it remains the view and the fact that if we want to go up from here, we need to break that $3,950 level, and then need to move up in a wave 3 above $4,000, because that is the next key resistance. And for a wave 3, this is what we need. Yeah, otherwise, this is not going to be a valid impulse to the upside. Yeah, we want to reach the 1.618 extension here on the way up in the wave 3. So a lot of uncertainty still in the market. Again, at the moment for me, the probabilities, especially with that latest move to the downside here, point more towards the downside. This could also become some kind of a triangle here, by the way, but it's too early to say it. For me at the moment, primarily still lower lows, especially as we're making here a series of lower highs, lower lows. This was also a lower low compared to that one, and a lower high. Not a good sign. For the bulls, of course, we need to hold here 3,642 to be able to move higher. That's all possible. If this falls, then it is this ABC count, and then we have another chance to reverse to the upside from here. Yeah, that's my view about the S&P 500. So still a lot of uncertainty in the market. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out my main channel, More Crypto Online. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.